Good morning, welcome back to another Sunfine Solar vlog. Caleb here with Sunfine Solar. So it's been a while, but we have another project coming up here near Mount Robson, BC. So we want to take you along. It's complete backup for this hobby farm and keeps them nice and secure, creating energy independence and security. So let's head on up there. Quick stop here at Mount Robson Park. What a beautiful sight that mountain is, standing tall. Saturday morning out here at the job site. I'm gonna help the crew just to wrap up here. And so we have our array here this morning is to finish up this array. We've got to tie up all the PV conductors in the back, bring in the main DC circuit into the disconnect, clean up, cut off those rails, and just clean everything up. So that'll be the task. Let's get at her. We've got our rapid shutdown devices here, which limits the circuit to 30 volts or less. And it's coming together. So let's get the rest of the DC tied in. Commissioned and energized. And so this is turned on and heading back up to the shop there. So let's go up there and have a look. So we're gonna have a generator sitting here. It's gonna be a 20 kilowatt Kohler propane unit. So with the supply issues, it's not here yet. We can see we did rewire it up in here. So we have our input for the solar PV, our generator control, and our 100 amp generator input. And then the existing 100 amp line going up to the house is still in the ground. Makes for a nice resilient and secure property. And there's a better shot of the house. We've got the shop here. We've got the solar array tucked down there. The system is about to be commissioned here now. So we're just getting ready to reset the rapid shutdown for final testing. Dual inverters, power distribution panel, our 100 amp 600 volt charge controller, rapid shutdown device here. Inverter system is now supporting entire property load. Only about 1.2 kilowatts of total load. Solar producing, providing load right to the house. Right now the grid is turned off. So we have the utility shut off right now. So there we go, it's coming together. All right, let's finish up, button everything up here. Okay, that's a complete wrap. We are done with this system. Everything commissioned. We got our labeling, we got a rapid shutdown device. There's our main electrical panel. A few loads left on that. We have our inverter system in here now, all buttoned up. 100 amp inverter system, 24 kilowatt hour lead carbon battery bank, our emergency panel, which has a few select loads for in the shop here, and then the main 100 amp feed right here that goes back up to the house. So there we go, another project in the books. Thanks for following along, everyone. Peace.